Heading on down the road to catch the sunrise. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood here, guys. It is about 6:35 and 37 degrees. Last week was Fairyland, and the week before that Inspiration Point, and then I showed you Sunset Point. Well, today I'm going to go to Sunrise Point. Now you would think that that would be the best place for a sunrise, but not so. Well, I'm going to go see for myself today what the sunrise looks like at Sunrise Point and give you today's Monday Meaningful Messages. Hope you'll stay tuned. See ya in a minute. It's Linda here, Serene and Simple Life, with today's beautiful sunrise at Sunrise Point and today's Monday Meaningful Messages. Is this spectacular or what? I have a couple minutes till the actual Google stated time of 7:02. People are rushing to get here to see the sunrise. And here is our inspiration box. So with no further ado, we're going to pick a good one, as always. Here we are. Guys, do not fear what is ahead. God is with you. Wow. You know, so often people ask me, aren't you afraid? Aren't you afraid? Traveling alone, aren't you afraid? Nope. There it is. Do not fear what is ahead. God is with you. Okay. I hope that will inspire, encourage, empower you today. And now let's pick one from the general collections. Sorting through here, looking for another good one, guys. I think we'll go with this one. Yeah. Surround yourself with good vibes. Wow, some matching colors, don't you think? There it is. Surround yourself with good vibes. So guys, I hope that those will have some impact and meaning for you today to empower, encourage, inspire others and yourself. And going to show you just a little bit more of this beautiful sunrise. Take a couple snapshots. So with that, I hope that you have a blessed day. Joy in the journey. Do not fear. God is with you. And surround yourself with good vibes. Later. just going to my car. Beautiful. Right by the Junior Ranger Station.